Live in Tampa with more on that story. Lenny.
Good evening. Yes, we're monitoring the situation at the Air Force Base, and it's unclear if that issue is related to the Change healthcare shortage. But what we are hearing tonight are from many people who are reaching out to Aid on Your Side. They are frustrated after leaving their pharmacy empty-handed, unable to get their empty prescriptions refilled. Tonight, several pharmacies across the country dealing with delays and disappointed customers after healthcare tech company Change Healthcare was hacked.
It's frustrating knowing that I'm going to have to kind of mark my calendar every day to call the pharmacy. Sometimes there's a long wait on the phone to get somebody on the phone to say, is it working yet? Is it working yet? I don't know how many days I'm going to have to do that.
Paige Fagenbaum reaching out to Aid on Your Side after an unsuccessful trip to her pharmacy to pick up her refill prescription, but leaving empty-handed. Her worries starting to settle in.
I did take my final pill this morning. It's something that I take twice a day.
Problems at pharmacies also taking a toll on some people at MacDill Air Force Base today. MacDill posting this alert to social media, reporting problems processing prescription orders for those with TRICARE coverage.
What could someone potentially face or experience?
So if someone has their medical information hacked, again, there could be identity theft related to that, or that information could be utilized against them, shared with people against their will.
Courtney H. Jackson is the CEO and founder of Paragon Cyber Solutions based in Tampa. She says customers should question their providers about how their private information is stored.
They have a right to ask those types of questions, and they should be receiving notices.
So Courtney went on to say that companies are required to inform their customers if they've been affected by a data breach. As for MacDill Air Force Base, they say they had the ability to process some of the urgent prescription orders, but they had to do so offline. Reporting live in Tampa, Lenny Supal, 8 on Your Side.